I just ate a lollipop.
പലപ്പോഴും ഞങ്ങൾ ഒരുമിച്ചായിരുന്നു. അതിനിടയിൽ അമ്മ മരിച്ചു. ഇപ്പോൾ ചെറിയൊരു ബിസിനസ്സാണ്, നന്ദൂസ് ഫുഡ് കോർട്ട്. അവിടെ എന്നെ കൂടെ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന പിള്ളേരും ഇവർക്കും സഹായത്തിന്.
അല്പസമയമായിട്ടുള്ളൂ നമ്മൾ തമ്മിൽ പരിചയപ്പെട്ടിട്ട്, എന്നിട്ടും ഇത്ര പെട്ടെന്ന് എന്നോട് മനസ്സ് തുറന്ന.
ആര് പറഞ്ഞു അല്പനേരമേ ആയുള്ളൂ? വർഷങ്ങളെ നമ്മൾ പരിചയപ്പെട്ടു.
വർഷങ്ങൾ?
യെസ്, 8 വർഷം ഞാൻ സത്യാന്വേഷിയുടെ സ്ഥിര വായനക്കാരനായിരുന്നു. അതിൽ വന്ന
Okay, I'm really late for the movie. I'm gonna go watch Shazam today, and I'm late. I only have like 15 minutes and I have to go there and buy the tickets. Oh my god, I hope I make it. Wish me luck. So, you might have sound like the last clip where I'm like in the theater, but I did not get to watch the movie because something happened with the projector's battery and they had to change that, and so the show got cancelled. Obviously I got a refund, but I'm pretty bummed that I did not get to see the movie because I was just looking forward to like having like a little bit like a piece of time alone, do something alone, you know, but kind of disappointed, but it's okay, happens with me all the time. I don't have a good luck, not just like not the movie thing, but like there's a lot of stuff that I want to do and like I try to do and it just doesn't work out. That's just my luck. I don't even fucking care anymore, so I'm just gonna move on to the next thing. At least my cupcakes turned out good, so I'm happy about them. Oh my god, let me show you the cupcakes. Wait. Oh my god, look, this is because this is like toothpick marks. I was poking it, but oh my god, so good. It's like so soft. It's really good. I'm yet to decorate it. I'm gonna decorate with whipping cream and some strawberries. I'll do that later. I'm not in the mood right. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to be painting. I have never painted on like a canvas board before. This is my first time. I don't know much stuff about it, but I know it has to be primed, and it says that this is already primed. So I'm just gonna start painting. I'm gonna paint like this, like looking out of the window like thing where everything is just, first I paint the whole board in black and then paint like tape the sides and all that out, and then essentially paint the outside scenery. I don't know how it's gonna go, but like I'm scared and like I don't know. Let's hope I do good. guys, I'm done painting and this is the result. Let me... Looks pretty good for someone who's like fucking shit at art and painting. You can see the details on the video, like the shading part on the video, but I'll insert a photo right here. I'm pretty proud of myself. It's good. Maybe I'll do more in future, you know. It's never too late to learn new things. Looks pretty. Anyway, oh my god, this place is a huge mess. Let me show you. I forgot to use a newspaper. I should have used like a newspaper, an old newspaper or something, but it's okay. My hands are also so dirty. At some point I was finger painting on a canvas, like this moon. I finger painted this moon. But yeah, let me go wash up and clean this place. I didn't even realize how much time it has been. I've been painting for like an hour. Like I forgot time. It was fun. I just put on some music and then I was just like, I just painted away. So like, wow. Anyway, I'm gonna go clean up and then it's dinner time, so I'm gonna eat dinner.